Hi, I'm Roger with Lion Technology, and this is Lion Now, your quick video guide to the news that impacts environmental, safety, and transportation professionals this week. Let's do it. First up, we've got something for hazmat shippers. Does the letter G mean anything to you? What about the letters NOS? This week in Lion News, hazmat instructor Flip Durea explains how and when to use these common designations for hazmat proper shipping names and clears up a common misconception about them. Next, the International Air Transport Association, or IATA, released significant changes for its 60th edition Dangerous Goods Regulations, that's DGR for short. Lion News has a list of critical updates for 2019. If you ship DG by air, having the latest IATA regs on hand is crucial to compliance. Pre-order your copy of the new IATA DGR at lion.com before October 15th to save $10 and get free shipping within the U.S. Last but not least this week, California's Department of Toxic Substances Control is set to finalize emergency regulations that provide more flexibility for recycling and disposal of cathode ray tubes, or CRTs. As always, you can get a lot more information about any of these stories at Lion News and subscribe to get the latest updates delivered straight to your inbox. If these videos are helping you keep track of regulatory updates that impact your job, please like and share below. Thank you for watching. We'll be back next week.